everyone, I'm Amanda and welcome to my vlog. To start off this week's episode, I'm going to do an unboxing. And in this box, I have some makeup. Now I'm not an avid makeup wearer. I usually just wear eyeshadow and eyeliner and mascara and call it a day. My first vlogs, you probably could have seen that my face was kind of shiny and you see every single imperfection. I mean, I am human. So in later episodes, I started wearing some of my old powder. Now the powder I was wearing was this Urban Decay, Urban Decay called Nirvana, and it was that cream to powder stuff. And you just kind of like brush it on and then on your face. That I noticed after watching my videos towards the end of the day, it was kind of caked on and looked caked on. So I did a little research and went to my favorite brand, which is Urban Decay. And not sponsored, this video is not sponsored, but hey, Urban Decay, if you'd like to sponsor me, not like Urban Decay's me watching this, I'm gonna get real. Anyway, I thought I'd try something new. So I picked up a few things. They were on sale. And the first thing I got, well, we'll start with the liquid foundation. I thought that's the first thing you put on. I don't know, again, not an avid makeup wearer. It says it's flexible, breathable, real skin matte finish, medium buildable coverage, does not transfer, minimizes the appearance of pores, and stays true color. So I thought, okay, that should work. And I did their I have their liquid quiz on their website for skin color, so I kind of guessed. So I got that color. Looks about right. How do you open it? Oh my god, watch this foundation everywhere. If anybody knows me, knows that. Oh, okay. So yeah, I guess you squeeze it onto a little wedge and you brush it on your face, I'm assuming. Or you pat it, put it in like little drops and pat it all over. Maybe later in this episode, I may show you, may record myself doing it. Wouldn't that be funny? Anyway, so on top of that, I also got the Stay Naked Fix, and it's like a powder. Because I thought after, again, I don't know anything about makeup, but I thought that once you put the liquid foundation on, then you have to put like a powder on top. I won't even get into contouring and highlighting and all, that's way above me. I mean, I could probably do it, but I'd probably end up looking like the Joker or, yeah, but that'd be funny. Maybe I should do that. Anyway, that's what it looks like inside. This is what I like about Urban Decay. Their products, presentation is just great. It just looks cool. Even the old one, it just looks cool. Anyway, so yeah, that kind of looks like my skin. Maybe. We shall see. So, I got that. Then, I really like their Naked palettes because I like a lot of neutral colors. Sometimes I'll throw little purples, pinks on my eyelid. I think I kind of look like a clown when I do that, but I think I look pretty. Here's the palette. It's their palettes are usually like a hard plastic, but this one's kind of like a fabric-y, that's not a word, fabric type material on top. And here's the colors. I think that's good with me, maybe. It's called Naked. I'm gonna have them change their name to Naked because I can't seem to say naked. So, but yeah, it's got all the colors that I would use. One thing I didn't like, it didn't come with a brush. I got plenty of brushes, but it would have been nice if it came with a brush. So, Urban Decay, you failed me. So since I bought all that, they threw in a freebie. Eyeshadow primer potion. A little kind of rinky dink, kind of small. Really tiny. But this stuff goes a long way, because I've used this stuff before, and you just dab like a little on your finger and you kind of put it on your eyelid and makes your eyeshadow stay longer. So that was cool, little freebie. But anyway, that's that. That's what I got. Like I said, maybe I may do a video of me putting this on to see how it looks. And like, yeah, that's a good idea, because then I could see on camera how funny I look. And then you guys would get a laugh. And then maybe you'll subscribe to my channel because I made you laugh. So, yeah. All right, until something else happens, I will see you later. All right, so it's time to try the makeup out. I took off all of my makeup and we're gonna try putting this stuff on. Full disclosure, I don't really know I know what I'm doing, but I don't know what I'm doing, if that makes any sense. So we shall see how it turns out. We shall see if I pick the right color. This should be fun. So I'm assuming, first of all, well actually let me start off. Does anybody know what this is? Like, what is this for? I obviously know it's something, like you do that, but like, what does it do? I don't know. Comment down below if you know what this is for and what you use it for. I know you roll it on your face, I'm not that dumb, but what is it, what's its purpose? That's what I want to know. But I have that, so I'll just massage those pores. So I'm assuming you start with the foundation. Got my little wedges here. A little blob. Ooh, I almost dropped it. Dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab. Done. Did you smear? I mean, it looks like it's blending okay. This is what you use this for. This stuff is really, really, truly lightweight. Like, I don't feel like, I think I put a lot on, but it doesn't feel like a lot. All right, moving on to this, I think that's the next step. Yeah. You know what? It is kind of close to my shade. Like, it doesn't look bad. And I did that on Urban Decay. You do like a little quiz. UrbanDecay.com. You do a little quiz on your skin tone. And that's what I did, and that's how I picked this out. And I think it's pretty spot on. I'm going to use a little of this primer potion for the eyeshadow. Just a little dab. I put a little black eyeliner. This is Urban Decay Zero Glide On Pencil. It glides on really smooth. Naked Reloaded. And I'm going to stay neutral today and go with light on the lids, dark in the crease, and then light up here. The way I taught myself how to put on makeup was Days of Our Lives. If I get fancy with my editing, I'll put a picture up of one of the characters. The way they did their eye makeup was, they made it pop, and I just kind of tried to mimic it, and that's what I've been doing since. After that, then I typically move on to the eyeliner, and I'm using Naked Perversion black eyeliner from Urban Decay. Next, eyeliner. Mascara. I usually use Urban Decay, but I didn't get any, so at Target they have this brand called Winky Lux, and this is called So Extra, and I like it a lot, and I think I'll be using this from now on. There. Don't my eyelashes look so extra? Alright, so there you go. There's the finished product. Alright, if you haven't already, please subscribe, like the video, comment down below, ring the bell, do all the things that you're supposed to do on YouTube, because I'd really appreciate it. Alright, thank you for watching. Until next time. I know I ended my video already. I just want to show you how stupid my vacuum is. You see that? You see that? It's stuck behind the freaking ladder. How is that vacuuming? Stupid, stupid vacuum. It's not doing any good. It's just sitting there being stupid. Ugh. As you can see, it's still kind of hazy. Dumb fool. Okay, I'm gonna go fix the vacuum because it doesn't seem to know how to vacuum. Alright, bye.